everyone, welcome to our humble home.
This is Alguno Diaries.
I am RJ.
I'm Adela. Join us as we restore our small indoor vegetable garden.
So this is our entire garden. It is a multi-purpose space that is long and narrow. We also hang our clothes here because this is the only space in the house which gets sunlight. And during winter time, this becomes a storage area. We don't really go out a lot here because it gets really cold. And gladly winter is over and spring is here, and it's time to restore our small indoor vegetable garden. My son RJ likes plants. He enjoys taking care of our garden last year. He is my little helper. Our little boy hopes to own a farm because he likes taking care of plants and animals. Our small garden is actually made of ice cream and water containers as our pots. We also used yogurt container and egg trays as our seed starters last year. Shout out to our good friend Alexis Andes because he donated most of the water containers we're using for our pots. So Arjun and I took the dry and hard soil from all the pots and we transferred it into a big basin.
Kitchen knife! Woo! Food! Food! I love you! Cut the meat! Cut the meat! You know where the knife is, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
You know where the knife is?
Where did you put it?
Right here.
What do we do? What do we do?
I think that knife is here. I remember.
Hi Rafael. What are we going to do today?
Blow the spider! So that's one.
So these are all the seeds we had from last spring and summer. So you have basil, parsley.
You guys are dead?
Okay, and we already tried planting this last year,
I think I know where they're dead, Mama.
but we'll see.
I'm in the winter.
Alright, so we'll start off with our parsley, correct?
Mm.
Show me the seeds, babes.
Yeah.
They're so
I
cute.
can, it looks like I can eat them. It's like little. And I got that.
They're so cute. What do they look like?
They look like.
Alright.
Nerds. They're like nerds.
They're like nerds. Okay. We had a lot of parsley last year, right, babe? What did we do with our parsley?
Ate them.
Yeah, we included them in our cooking.
Pizza.
And yeah, in our pizza, correct.
It's garnishing.
For garnish. Alright, parsley done. Should we do basil next?
Basically. Mama, can you get like a scene so we can say it like basil?
Oh yeah, we should get some, what do you call that, markers?
Popsicles.
Popsicle sticks, one moment. Parsley, not by period. Okay, let's put the marker. We're done with the first one, parsley. Okay,
Let's
next
put pechay.
is basil. Can you show me the
color
seeds?
black.
Mhm. Right, show me the seeds. So these are rucola. Can you spread it out for me?
Some are
please?
not real, I mean, some are like dead.
Rucola seed. Alright? Can you spread them out, babe? Rucola. Rucola is good for salad. Okay? Let's put in the rucola marker. The third one, baby. Our fourth seed would be... Okay, let's have rosemary. So we're done with our rosemary.
Rosemary is not suitable for this kind of soil.
Okay, let's put our marker, babe. Okay, next one will be our dill. Our next seed is, in Russian, it's called Kapusta Yalonskaya. I could remember it translated to us like Japanese lettuce. It's like for salad. Alright, our last one is okra seeds. We brought some from the Philippines. And hopefully we're lucky this time. Okra is actually RJ's favorite vegetable. Do you miss eating okra, babe?
They're big fat. They're like oranges.
RJ loves okra. Hopefully we'll be lucky this year and we can grow okra. Yeah, just give it a try and hopefully at least one be. So you can eat okra again. We grow okra, a lot of okra back in the Philippines. There wasn't any problem. Okay, let's cover the okra seeds, okay? Alright, so far we have parsley, basil, rucola, dill, Japanese lettuce, and it says in the label as salad or salat in Russian. And of course our okra.
Look one. I made ma. It looks like okra and please. Look one. It says O, right? O-K-R-A. This one also P-L-Z.
Because you want the okra.
And then there's P-L-Z grow.
Please grow. Okay? Put the okra label.
Dun, 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 dun.
Slowly, baby. Okra, please grow. Alright, so let me show you the lemon I planted last summer. This is the guy. If you notice, I have a couple of them and I place them all together in just one container. These lemons survive winter. And I use them as like ornament inside the home. And since I tried that they actually grow and survive winter, I'm planning to plant more of them. And here are a couple of them I planted like 3 weeks ago. So since we use a lot of lemon here, I'll be planting as many of the lemon seeds so that we can just have these little guys as additional plants inside the home to add more greens inside the home. So that's our first day of adding our seeds. Hopefully,
Yeah, it'll grow.
yes, it will grow, and then we'll update you in a week time or when until the seedling starts to grow. All right. So that's it for today.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, everyone. Ano si mo ingon?
Hi everyone.
Hello, hi. Hi,
Hello.
everyone. Hi,
Hello everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome to our humble home.
This is Alguno Diaries.
This is our
I am RJ.
I am RJ.